Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I am going to explore a new game called Norma in Metaland Cooking Adventure. Usually we are playing a farming type game like Sunflower Land and Crop Bites, but today I am exploring a new set of game, and this is my idea that during this bear market the more game we can play and the more coin we can accumulate, it will eventually give us good amount of profit in coming bull run. This is my idea, so I am exploring new and new game. So one whatever I will explore, I will share it with you, and let's play together. So before jump into the game, we will see a bit of thing that how that game will go. This is basically we have to prepare foods and we have to deliver to the people who are providing, who will give order. We have to submit, we have to deliver those foods, fulfill those order, and we will get some candy by selling those food. And this is basically free to play to earn crypto and NFT support. Yes, social score is 988, not bad. And why I chose this game, because this is a new sort of game. This is cooking adventure type game, and this game is not too old in the market. It's almost not, I guess it's not 2 months old yet. It's 1 month and half old, something like that. Maybe 50 days old game. This is maybe, I'm not sure that how many days ago it came into the market, but it's pretty new. I can tell it to you. You can play it on your mobile as well as PC. Okay, and this is the cooking adventure. You can go through all these things. You have to customize your chef, upgrade your chicken, cook and recipe 100 plus recipe, and while chef championship, complete compete the chefs from around the world to win glory and prizes. This is the competition that goes around here within every week or every couple of days, I guess. So we will check out those and check out the Metaland screenshot. Not bad, it's nice, and you can buy those in OpenSea as well. Norma and friends. And if you wish to read the white paper, you can do it too. You can read the white paper. There are two token. One is candy is utility token. It's a supply is unlimited. Every time you will supply food, you will deliver the food, you will get candy, and in exchange of various goods and service offered in the gram. That is another token. That is the main gaming token, that is gram, and it is written how much gram is there, and gamify is written there. Burn model is also there, and governance and staking. You can stake gram and s gram. Okay, you can read it at your own time, so I am not wasting much time by reading those jargons, so better get into the game. This is the first scene, and you can see that I have got some money by selling some foods. And okay, this is the notification. I have 4 notification. Need more hearts today. Okay, get some more hearts for Jean and Willy, Lulu, and Lucky Ball. Okay, first this is the candy shop. Okay, this is table sendable candy. I have got 9 candies, and this is my wallet. This wallet is not my MetaMask or any wallet. They have created this. So this wallet, when you will log in, you will get those. But I am not going to send this candy right now. I have to buy things like vitamins and all these things, and boost heat container, all these things I have to buy with this candy, so I am not going to send it, right? So let's look into the thing that how we can earn some. This is stick house. We have to get into the stick house and start earning. As I am pretty new in this game, only played one day, so I am not aware of all these things so far, but still I will try to play and let you know how to play. This is I have completed level 3. Now I am level 4. Select your boost. Okay, I have to spend 5 power, and your goal is 80 coin. First I have to start cooking this stick. This is stick house. Okay, one person has came, so I have to deliver it. Oh, nice. I got 17. Now e I guess this is overcooked. What I have to do? Wait, let me check. First I am sending this. Now this is overcooked. I cannot do it. Okay. What happened? It's not cooked yet. Yes. Now I have to draw some sauce. Yes. Nice. Now, oh, I got 71. Stage 4. 1,000 money. This is new record for me because I am new here, so I haven't reached 71 yet. And let me introduce you to our new guest, William. Serving expensive food to William can lead to higher earnings. Okay, starter pack. I can buy this by $2.99, but I don't have that much right now. Let's go to 5 and 120 goal. Okay, no problem. Let's try. Yes, done. Done. What will you serve me this year? Okay, not this. So what they will ask? Okay, I can serve this to him, and you can see the picture. They were he was willing to have some with sauce, so I sent him. Just a moment, it will give me the indication that it's cooked already. Yes, it's cooked, so I can give it to her. And now you can see she is willing to have with sauce. And he is also willing to have with sauce. So I have 20 seconds left, 16 seconds left. Yes, it's done. Now I have 104 I got only. No problem. So this is the game, and you can play like this, right? And you can equip costume, use boost, you can use boost with your candies and all. So this is the way you can carry on playing, and let me know that if you are enjoying or not. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope I will do some new adventure and new progress on this game in coming days. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to let me know that you are playing or not, or if you are playing, that how you are enjoying, how you are progressing, like that. Thank you very much for watching once again. See you soon.